Welcome to pdftoolz.site. First, check if your PDF file is password protected. When you try to open it, it asks for a password. Without it, the file won't open. To remove this password, open your browser. In the search bar, type pdftoolz and press Enter. Click on the second link or directly visit pdftoolz.site. Scroll down and click on the PDF Unlock tool. Go to the Upload area, click the Choose File button, and upload your password-protected PDF file. Enter the PDF password. Click the Unlock button. Then, click Download to get your unlocked PDF file. Now, your PDF no longer requires a password to open. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and follow for more helpful videos.